why you canceled it.
Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m.
I did not
If
expect
severe
them to
weather is
conduct it.
expected on Wednesday, the test will be
I
postponed.
swear they
until the next
canceled
day,
it.
weather permitting.
It is
Reception of this
Thursday.
broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties.
Turns out Melbourne will be
For
testing
station
today.
WWS69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System.
Headed off on the EAR
Please
10
now
today.
return to the regular broadcast program.
Wait, what? Why? Just why? Why do you do this to me?
County in East Central Florida, southwestern Orange County in East Central Florida, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Louisa, or 7 miles west of Bay Lake, moving east at 25
Why?
miles per hour.
I think the RWT is still in effect. No, it's not.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay Lake,
SVR.
Lake Vista, Orlando, Oconee, Winter Garden, and Windermere. For your protection, move to an interior room
EAR
on the
10
lowest
just
floor
came
of
on
the
and
building.
scared the heck out of me. On a RWT day.
Serving
By the way, guys, yes, it is a RWT day because they canceled it yesterday. I'm gonna keep my EAR 10 on.
This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service.
SVR.
South Central Orange County and East Central Florida, North Central Osceola County and East Central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Clark, or near Orlando International Airport, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Wedgefield, East Lake Tahoe, Marquesas, and Lake Hart. For your
This is hard to
protection,
record.
interior room on the lowest floor of the
Actually.
building. Special weather statement.
Oh, it's a tornado warning.
Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Orange County and East Central
Everything but
Florida
unexpected.
until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You're dead and you're
At
dead.
7:01 p.m.
That's what I'm not
Eastern Daylight
happening.
Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Orlando International Airport, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Orange County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yes, I caught it!
A National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Holapa and is nearly stationary.
Darn it, my ER10 died.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
I gotta charge him up.
Source,
After
radar
this.
indicated. Impact,
Make
hail
use.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Holapa and Forever, Florida.
Forever,
Protection
Florida.
moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Over the North Atlantic by
ER210, I don't trust you.
10 miles per hour. It was partly sunny.
Why are they not relaying it? It's 4. Huh. Oh, here we go. Are you gonna activate?
Special marine warning.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County, Lanc to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Rockledge, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Pinetta, South Patrick Shores, Satellite Beach, Palm Shores and Indian Harbor Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Special weather